traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 21st of September 2020 and time is 9:32 am. So traders, today we are having Zeal in our watch list, and now first I am placing the order, then I will tell you the logic and setup. Okay, so I had placed a limit order which is of 224 buying side. Why it's not yet executed? Because I have placed 224 order and it is above 224. So traders, sorry for the glitch. I was saying that my order has been placed. Okay traders, and our stop loss is near to this and the target is this. Now let me tell you the whole trading setup. So traders, first I made a resistance here. Okay traders, and the second resistance is here. After plotting this, first I seen that the price was spending some time here at this resistance. So it has been seen many times by me that when a price spends some time near the resistance, there are many chances that it can break and give a good momentum towards either side. So my view towards this Zeal is bullish, so I made a buy order and our target is the second resistance line. Okay traders, and how I decided the stop loss. So for deciding the stop loss, what I did is I plotted the Fibonacci tool on the price from lowest price to highest. At that time it was this. So below 78 retracement, this is our stop loss. Okay traders, so this is complete trading setup for today, and I hope this might get successful towards our expectation. Okay traders, okay, so we have to do nothing, we are just waiting for a profit or a stop loss to get triggered. Our trading setup is simple and the logic is also very simple, and I have only placed 50 quantities because, as you know, the risk which I can take is only 100 rupees. Okay traders, so our order has been placed, so everything is decided. I am pausing the video. When it will hit any a target or a stop loss, I will update you. So traders, as you can see here, our stop loss got triggered, but it's okay, we accept the loss. Now let's calculate our today's loss. So our today's loss point were 2.30 and our quantities were 50. So our today's loss is 115. Okay traders, so I hope you learned something from my video and my mistake and enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.